finally we got our hands on the new iPhone 16 Pro and really excited to check this baby out. From the first look, it is a little longer in length as compared to iPhone 15 Pro. Feels a little bit lighter, and we will definitely share a follow-up video with you guys checking all the features in detail. Do comment below what do you want to know about the latest iPhone 15 series, and are you ready to make the switch?